Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to disable zoom on iPhone. Don't forget friends, before starting the video put a like, as well as subscribe to our channel and be sure to write comments after watching. Well, let's get started. If you have Zoom installed on your iPhone or perhaps it is installed on some of your friends or relatives, I will show you how you can easily disable it. To do this, you'll need to open the settings. After that, scroll a little bit, select this section right here. In the next one, please click on Zoom. And if you have it connected, then you will need to click on this button and disable Zoom. That is the very first option. Also go back now to Accessibility and then go to Display and Text Size. If you have, for example, enabled text zoom here, you can also disable it if necessary. With these methods, you can quickly and easily, friends, disable Zoom on iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to put your likes and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.